Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, it is that time of the year again, the Forbes rich list. We're going to the black section where Nigeria is showing a very strong presence. Guys, I bring you this list of top 15 richest black people in the world. So this is the title. Now we're going through the names of the richest black people on the planet at the moment. So the headline again, list of top 15 richest black people in the world. So now let's now go through exactly who and who made the list. So it looks as though this article is actually coming from Kenya because it says no Kenyan billionaire made it to the top 15 list of richest black people in the world, with US and Nigeria dominating the list. So now no prizes for guessing who occupies the top spot. We all know the name that is going to occupy that space. Nigeria's Dangote, of course. Nigeria's Aliko Dangote emerged number one, beating the likes of Will Smith, Mike Jordan, and Oprah Winfrey. 6 Americans and 4 Nigerians have made it to the list of the wealthiest black people in the world, according to Africa Fact Zone. In the top 10 list, Nigeria's billionaire businessman and founder of Dangote Group, Aliko Dangote, leads the pack with $9.5 billion, followed from a distance by Mohammed Hussein from Saudi with $8.1 billion. Billionaire Aliko Dangote, founder and chairman of Dangote Group, a multinational industrial conglomerate, occupies that spot. At the 3rd and 4th spot are Mike Adenuga, Nigeria, and Will Smith, US, followed by David Stewart, American, Abdul Samad Rabiu, Nigeria, and Oprah Winfrey, US, respectively. So now let's now go through the list. So below is the list of the 15 richest black people globally. Aliko Dangote, Nigeria, number 1, $9.5 billion. Mohammed Hussein, Saudi, number 2, $8.1 billion. Mike Adenuga, Nigeria, number 3, $5.8 billion. Will Smith, I never even knew Will Smith was a billionaire, but apparently he is, and is the 4th richest black man on the planet. So Will Smith, number 4, United States, $5 billion. David Stewart, United States, $3.5 billion. Abdul Samad Rabiu, Nigeria, $3.2 billion. Oprah Winfrey, number 7, $2.6 billion. Michael Jordan comes in at number 8 from the United States, and his fortune is estimated at $2.1 billion. Patrice Motsepe is the name occupying the 9th position from South Africa, $2 billion. Number 10 is Isabel dos Santos. Isabel dos Santos from Angola, $1.8 billion estimated. So at number 11, I think we have 2 people occupying that spot. Strive Masiyiwa from Zimbabwe is occupying that 11th spot jointly with Michael Lee Chin, Canadian-Jamaican, and the estimated fortunes of both of them, not jointly but individually, is $1.7 billion. Kanye West, of course, you know where he's from the United States. He's the 13th, 1.3, and his estimated fortune is $1.3 billion. Number 14, Folorunsho Alakija, of course a Yoruba name, Nigerian, $1 billion is what they're stating that he or she owns. And rounding off the top 15 is Jay-Z, American rapper, of course, and is a billionaire with $1 billion estimated to be his fortune. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the top 15 richest black people on the planet, starting off with Aliko Dangote of Nigeria with a fortune of $9.5 billion, and rounding off with Jay-Z, the American rapper, with a fortune of $1 billion. So now, which name comes as a surprise to you from that list, or which name did you imagine would have been there and it's not. Come share thoughts. Come tell me what your rich list is and what your thoughts are on the rich list in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come, let's talk money in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.